Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do the unboxing for the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod, and this is a product that has been out of stock in most parts of the world for the better part of 2 or 3 months. It comes in stock, it goes out of stock, it's sometimes available on Amazon, and it's constantly unavailable. And there are lots of videos telling you whether you need this product or not, but I have one good reason to tell you, and it's a very simple reason why you would want to have this. So I would recommend, if you have a GoPro Hero 9, you must get the media mod because it really completes the camera in one way. So do watch till the end for the complete picture. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So we'll keep the Hero 9 on the side for a second. That's what you get in the box. You obviously get this manual. Fairly handy manual in various languages. The main event itself, which is the media mod. And you have this little mic cover here. That's how it gets installed. Besides that, you also get a thumb screw there. So you got some warranty information, the manual itself, and you've got this single mount with a thumb screw. And here's the media mod itself. So I talked about earlier why you would want this for your GoPro Hero 9 and why it's such an indispensable accessory. The reason for that is twofold. First of all, you will obviously get somewhere to mount accessories right on the case itself for this, and you've got two cold shoe mounts, one on the side, one on the top. And the second most important feature is the headphone jack right here. This is what enables you to use external microphones. In the past, if you wanted to use an external microphones, you had to use the 3.5mm mic adapter, which until recently, until the GoPro got its version 1.5 update, was disabled for this camera. So there was no way absolutely to use an external mic. So this was anyway the only option. And you had to have that big dongle dangling onto the side of your setup. Whilst this allows you to have a fairly compact setup and mount something like a video micro mic on the top, and just have a small cable attached to the casing itself. So let's try and put the GoPro inside the media mod and see how that feels and looks. Okay, so it opens like so from one side, and you will have to replace the battery door on the GoPro with this accessory. For some reason, these GoPro battery doors, as well as the media mod, the doors are really hard to get off. You can almost break a fingernail trying to open them. It requires a lot of pressure. And once you've got that, you can simply detach that and the GoPro should slide in to the accessory. And there you go. It goes in like so, and then once it's clicked into place, it feels really sturdy, and that's how it looks. So it's now one compact package. Yes, certainly it increases the size of the GoPro, so it's obviously not as compact as something like a GoPro Session. The idea is you've got a better external microphone, you've got two mounting slots here, and besides that you get the ability to attach an external mic right on the casing itself. So really indispensable in my opinion. So let's try turning this on. So there's no difference in responsiveness in terms of how the buttons get pressed. So everything is quite tightly packaged. This little foam that covers the mic does get pinched a little bit when you open the micro HDMI slot. The center one, which is the USB-C charging port and communication port, is not really affected by it. And the last one is obviously for the 3.5mm headphone jack, and that's completely independent, so that's a good thing. So all in all, a really smart accessory. Inside the box you get the warranty information, the user manual, and a thumb screw with one single mount, and the GoPro Hero 9 media mod itself. Okay, so I'm doing a few tests to show you how the media mod works, and I've got it mounted on this GoPro 3-way. And the first test will be with the GoPro on the media mod and using the GoPro's internal microphones. So this is a test of the internal microphones of the GoPro whilst it's facing me, and just to compare the clarity with the media mod. So this is a test with the GoPro's internal microphones. So this is a test of the GoPro's media mod, GoPro Hero 9 media mods microphones, but this time it's the back microphone, and I'm actually facing the front of the camera. So just to see how the back microphone picks up the voice as compared to the camera's internal microphones. Test of the GoPro Hero 9 media mod whilst using the back microphone from the media mod, whilst facing it from the front in selfie mode. So this test now is the GoPro front mic from the Media Mod, GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod front microphone, just to compare it, how it behaves and how well it records the audio compared to the back microphone and the camera's internal mics. So this is a test of the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod with the front microphone. And this is 5K cinematic 30 frames per second linear plus horizon leveling mode. So the test of the front mic on the GoPro whilst I'm facing the front of the camera. Okay, and finally this is with me behind the GoPro, and this time I'm using the back microphone on the Media Mod just to see how this captures sound. And there's a dog barking quite close by, so we'll see how this picks up or filters out that sound. So this is the back microphone on the Media Mod of the GoPro Hero 9 whilst I'm standing behind the camera, just to see how it records the sound as compared to when I was facing the front but still using the back mic on the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod. Still using the back microphone, but this time I'm facing the camera, so just to see what the difference will be. GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod back microphone, but was facing the camera from the front. Okay, and finally for good measure, I've mounted the Video Micro NTG, which is a hybrid microphone from Rode, just to see how this records, how it compares to the internal mics of the GoPro Hero 9 as well as the Media Mod mics, the front and back mics, just to test the quality. Video Micro NTG mounted on the GoPro, and from the looks of it, it's not actually appearing in the frame. I've got it on the rearmost setting here so that it's not being captured by the GoPro. This is still 5K cinematic 30 frames per second linear plus horizon leveling mode. Test of the GoPro Hero 9 Media Mod with the Video Micro NTG mic mounted on top. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.